In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to redeem a Microsoft gift card. First method, redeem on Xbox or Microsoft app. To do this, open Microsoft Store app on your computer. Then, in the home page of Microsoft Store, go to your profile icon in the top right. Click on it. Then, from the options, choose Redeem Code or Gift Card. This will bring a small window asking you to fill out your code. Enter your gift card code and confirm. The balance will be added to your account and will be ready to use. Second method, redeem on a PC or web browser. Open your browser and go to microsoft.com/redeem. Then, Microsoft will ask you to sign in. Sign in with your Microsoft account. After that, enter your gift card code and click Next or Redeem. The balance will be added to your Microsoft account and can be used for purchases in the Microsoft Store. And that's it. Those are 2 easy ways to redeem a Microsoft gift card. Thanks for watching.